want to tickle you. Yeah.
Zach.
I think it's Daddy.
What did you do?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Your ears do stick out a little bit, buddy. You kind of got little elfie ears. Look at that. You're getting very ticklish.
Uh-oh. 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 No, Daddy, no. Stop it! I'm gonna throw up!